Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about the classifications of mining accidents prescribed in circular number 1 of 2014. If you are watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel Suranga so that you will get notified whenever we post videos related to mining. According to DGMS circular 1 of 2014, the mining accidents are classified under three main categories, namely mining statistical accident, mining non-statistical accident, and non-mining accidents. This classification is very important in preparing the accident analysis data by DGMS. The mining accidents are classified based on three main categories. First one is the location where the accident has happened. Second one is the person, whether the person is employed in mines or not. Third one is the cause of the accident, whether the cause of the accident is due to mining activity or non-mining activity. Mining statistical accident. The accident should have happened within the mine boundary. The person who was affected by this accident should have been employed in the mines. The accident may be due to mining operation, mining machinery, or mining equipments or any other apparatus, or maybe due to any negligible action of a mining employee, or maybe due to any willful action of a mining employee. Then this type of accident should be classified under mining statistical accident. Mining non-statistical accident. If the accident has happened within the mine boundary, but the person is not employed in the mines, but the cause of the accident is due to mining operation, mining machinery, or mining equipment, or any negligible action or willful action by a person, then this accident should be classified under mining non-statistical accident. But if the accident has happened outside the mine boundary, the person may be employed in the mines or may not be employed in the mines. But the cause of this accident, if it is related to mining operation or mining activity, then this type of accident should also be classified under mining non-statistical accident. Non-mining accident. The accident should have happened outside the mine boundary. The person may be employed in the mines or may not be employed in the mines. But the cause of the accident should not be related to any mining operation. Then this type of accident should be classified under non-mining accident. And any accident happened due to natural cause is also termed under non-mining accident. To understand clearly, let us see some of the examples. Example number 1. A blasting helper got a serious injury due to fly rock from the blasting operation. When you analyze this accident, the accident has happened within the mine boundary. The person is employed in the mines and the cause of accident is due to mining operation. So, this accident is classified under mining statistical accident. Example number 2. A person from neighboring village got drowned in the settling pond of a mine when he was searching for his goats near the mining area. When you analyze this accident, the accident has happened within the mining boundary, but the person is not employed in the mines. But the cause of the accident, that is settling pond, is a part of their mining activity or a part of mining operation. So, this accident should be classified under mining non-statistical accident. Example number 3. A dumper operator was found to be dead in a mines. The postmortem report tells that the operator has died due to heart attack. In this accident, the accident has happened within the mine boundary and the person is also employed in the mines. But the cause of the accident is due to natural cause. So, this accident should be classified under non-mining accident. Hope you had now a clear idea about classifications of mining accidents. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.